We just say the same thing.
Okay, so what do you want to say? Hey guys! Welcome back to Secrets
Of Real Estate.
And on Secrets of Real Estate, we're going to be talking about...
We're talking about everything there is about real estate. So we're going to give you the game. We're going to actually give you the game of real estate. So, you know, all the little secrets that people won't tell you.
Yeah, we're going to tell you. So stay tuned to our videos. Today's topic of the day is going to be about
how to buy rental investment property. First thing you have to do is get
a real estate agent, right?
Right.
Yeah. So first thing you need with buying a rental property is you need a realtor.
Yes. A lot of people are saying, you know, why do I need a realtor for? I could do it myself. Well, realtors have access to a lot of things on the internet that you really don't have access to. So, you know, you really need a professional advice on how to buy a home and stuff and guide you along the way. I mean, if you were dying, you wouldn't be like, I'm going to take care of myself, I'm going to stitch myself up by myself. You go to a doctor.
Okay, we're doing a free giveaway, so you have to watch this full video to figure out the free giveaway.
The thing about the realtor is that she do the legal paperwork for you. You know, she's going to make sure
Which
that
is the contract.
People are not taking advantage of you, you know. If you use the seller realtor, they're not representing you.
Just know.
Yeah.
You're not being represented by the seller. You need a buyer's agent to represent you with purchasing a rental property or just property in general.
And you know, if you're a seller, you need to have an agent too to represent you as a seller, because you know the buyer's agent can just take advantage of you. You know, because we know a lot of stuff that we can get around and ins and out. We know little tricks, you know, to make you just say yes. Another reason why you might need a realtor is, you know, you want somebody to represent you and get you some closing costs, you know, get you to the right lender. You might have your own lender already or not, but you might want to get to the right lender.
Okay guys, click the link in the description box if you want to learn more about real estate investing and all of our real estate secrets. And we're going to teach you step by step how to invest in real estate. Your realtor is there to defend you and represent you on cases where, you know, the seller might be saying, okay, well, we're not gonna, you know, do this or we're not gonna do that. Your agent is there to say, hey, I want you to give me $3,500 to paint this house for my buyer. You know, I want you to pay this much in closing costs. So your agent is there to represent you and go over all the legal papers, the contract, go through closing, make sure everything goes smoothly in closing. So agent is really important.
Yeah, basically she needs to fight for you and, you know, get you more out of the deal. And stuff can go wrong. Like, you know, she might come in and see stuff that's wrong with the house that you didn't even see, not a professional eye.
Like mold.
Yeah, just anything.
Anything
there is. And then you don't know that you can ask for these repairs, or you know, just little things that we study in law. You know, Marshall's a realtor, I'm a broker, so you know, we kind of study this in real estate. We study this in school, and every year we have to have 36 hours of continuing education that keep us up to date on the new laws. Another reason why you need a realtor is that the seller agent can take advantage of you. Yes. So they'll sometimes will tell you you don't need any closing costs, you don't need any inspection on your house. You know, they'll tell you a lot of things to just steer you in the wrong direction. What else?
Sometimes, you know, they might price the house too high. You need an agent to let you know, hey, let me pull the comps on this to see if this house is priced correctly. No, this house is priced way too high. Let's put in an offer that's a little bit lower.
Yes.
You know.
So we need all the tools too of the agent, and expertise too also. Don't let that other agent take advantage of you.
No.
Yeah.
Tell them what the free giveaway is going to be about.
Well, we have the first 3 chapters of my book, Make Millions with Pre-Foreclosure Properties. that's going to teach you all about doing a short sale, and we'll get into that later about, you know, how to stop foreclosure and all those things, and you get that for free
by clicking the link in the description box. Okay guys, that concludes our video. Don't forget to click the link in the description box if you want to learn more about real estate investing and just learn step by step. We're going to break it down for you on how to invest in real estate.
Yes, we're going into simple details for you so you can understand clearly of how it goes. We're not going to rush. We're going to go through it and break it. Okay?
Alright guys, and we need you to like, comment, and
press like.
No, Mom.
Subscribe.
And make sure you guys let us know any other real estate videos you guys want us to post. And don't forget to turn on our post notifications. See ya later.
Bye.